In this video, I want to show you an example of a video ad that I ran. And video ads, again, they don't require you to have a website. You can set them up on day one with YouTube.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
And what I want to show you is how cheap it is to do so. You see this column, average CPV, cost per view. That's every time somebody watches your video, that's only 5 cents in my case. And you can bid lower. But what I want to show you is how cheap it can be. And these are, again, good audiences in US, people who buy stuff, people within my target market. And you see this is for a video that sells something. And if you want to set up your ad, you can do so right from this kind of an interface. This is your Google AdWords. You basically, you start your new ad, then you set up a video ad, then you just create a video, then you run a video ad to it. Later in this course, I'm going to add some videos that show you how to set up your video ads. Now, this course is not a video ads course, so I'm only going to show you a limited amount, but it's relatively easy to set up video ads. All you do is go through the steps, and then pretty quickly, within the same day, you can begin running your ads. And all you have to do is say in your video, say, hey, click on the show more below. And if you have your affiliate link there, you can promote that. And you can run video ads to your existing how-to videos. You can run video ads to your existing product review videos. So there's no shortage of the types of videos you can run this to. The only challenge is you got to make a good video and then run this ad and start promoting your affiliate product. So this is another option you can start doing on day one.